It's very important to have people who are idealistic and want to change the world and make it a more peaceful, just world, to create networks and to communicate and to exercise what I call collective power rather than individual power. And I think civil society is very good at doing this and should do it, because that's the only role we can play. Individually, we are not able to change the state or bad power, but collectively we can. Many networks have been born. For example, I founded something called Development Alternatives with a New Era, which is a women's consensus building network. And we did that to protest against the UN pressurizing third world women to accept their idea of what we wanted. We did not want equality with men. We wanted to be recognized as workers. So these are complete change of what the West thinks of us. So this idea of building groups which think about how to build their collective power is very important. And now it is even more important because many of the countries of the South, like China, India, Brazil, Indonesia, Latin America, are now becoming economically more energetic than America, Europe. You are having problem, we are having success. So it is the time for groups like Barcelona Consensus to engage with these groups. Like China and India should hold the hand of the poorer countries because they are getting very rich. So it's up to us to push these regional organizations and say, don't follow the old model of overpowering the weak. Try to work with the weak.